Perhaps you envision a future with flying cars and robots like these. But what if I told you this was the present? Though many robots don't actually look like this, artificial intelligence is being used in many ways, especially when managing retail stores. But is artificial intelligence something that the common worker has to fear? Are human jobs in jeopardy because of these highly intelligent and efficient robots? The Wall Street Journal recently posted an article showing how robots are helping Saks Fifth Avenue workers manage the demanding holiday season. Robots have already started replacing workers and are helping many workers be more efficient. Robots are becoming more prominent in many different workplaces. As consumers demand better quality products in a short amount of time, AI is being increasingly used to keep up with this demand. When humans can't keep up, AI is used to help. Please help us in filling out the survey by clicking the link below.